All right, we got a 2022 Hyundai Ioniq key fob here. I'll show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So first thing you're gonna do is press this button down here in the corner and remove the emergency key. Okay, you slide it right out. You need to hold that button down, and that's gonna allow us to get a flathead screwdriver, or you can even use the key if you want to go ahead and split this remote open. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this. I'll show you again. Hopefully you saw that. Okay, the screwdriver's in there like that way. Button's facing down, open it up. Here's our battery. You're gonna slide it out. And the battery size, I'll show you what that is here in a second. As soon as we slide this out, is a CR2032. Positive sign facing out towards us. Slide your new battery in. Need a battery, check the description box. I have a link takes you to Amazon where you can get one. You get the 2 halves. Make sure you get the button, put it in the little hole before you go ahead and snap this guy down. And that's pretty much it. Battery goes back in, and if you don't drop it, and we're done.